23 gadgets, one list. And I promise, at least 5 of these are going straight into your cart before this video ends. What's up, everyone? Today we're running through the coolest EDC gear and gadgets you can buy right now. Some are big upgrades, some are tiny, but every single one earns its spot in your carry. Let's get into it. Number 23. RAB Phantom Mountain Jacket. This jacket weighs less than a can of soup, yet it'll keep you dry on a mountain. The RAB Phantom Mountain Jacket is a super packable waterproof shell built for hiking and scrambling. With a 20,000mm waterproof rating and matching breathability, you get serious protection without the sono effect. It brilliantly packs into its own hood, and the pre-curved elbows ensure natural movement while climbing. While its 2.5-layer construction isn't a full storm hard shell, at $200, it's incredible value for a serious kit. It's the ultimate lightweight layer for your next outdoor adventure. Number 22. Victorinox Companion Slim Alox. 6 tools and 0 excuses. This tiny companion lives in your pocket and earns its keep daily. The Victorinox Companion Slim Alox features a slim, gorgeous aluminum body that feels more like jewelry than a tool. The standout feature is the sharp, snappy scissors that outclass any cheap multi-tool. Since Victorinox has been crafting tools for 140 years, this Swiss-made piece is built to outlast you. Note that it features a box opener instead of a traditional blade, making it a stylish, office-friendly choice for those who appreciate premium engineering and daily utility. Number 21. Nitecore NB1000 GN4. Imagine a power bank thinner than your phone and built like a tank. The Nitecore NB1000 Gen 4 uses a carbon fiber shell that makes it 40% lighter than standard units. It's rigid, stylish, and slips into a jacket pocket unnoticed. With dual USB-C ports, you can charge 2 devices simultaneously, and the IPX5 water resistance handles unexpected rain. While real-world conversion means about 5,400 mAh of actual output, it's still more than enough for most users. For $84, you simply won't find a better-looking or lighter power solution for your mobile gear. Number 20. Rovyvon Aurora. This flashlight fits on your keychain, but pumps out a massive 650 lumens. The Rovyvon Aurora A8 isn't a toy. It's a professional-grade light, smaller than your thumb. Beyond the main beam, it features side-mounted UV red and white secondary lights for versatility. Use the UV light to check banknotes or the magnetic base to stick it to metal surfaces for hands-free work. While the 5-click lock mode takes a moment to master, the sheer utility packed into this $49 device makes it one of the best value keychain lights currently available on the market. Number 19. LTT Scribedriver. This is a stainless steel bolt-action pen that doubles as the world's most satisfying fidget toy. Its rifle-style mechanism is buttery smooth, making it impossible to stop clicking during long meetings. The knurled grip provides a comfortable, non-slip writing experience that is softer than a standard screwdriver. It even takes Parker G2 refills, allowing stationary nerds to customize their ink. While it's heavy for a pen, that weight gives it a premium, weapon-like durability. At $30, it's a beautifully machined tool that makes every signature feel like a tactical event. Number 18. Maxpedition Pico Pocket Organizer. This little pouch is the most organized 3 inches of space you'll ever own. The Maxpedition Pico Pocket Organizer is a tiny 3x5-inch command center featuring elastic loops and slip pockets. Everything from USB drives to lip balm finds a secure home here, preventing gear from rattling in your pockets. Built with legendary YKK zippers, this pouch is designed to never fail. While it's strictly for small essentials, the rear loop field allows for easy personalization with patches. It's the perfect solution for anyone tired of pocket chaos and looking for compact organization. Number 17. Bellroy Venture Ready. The Bellroy Venture Ready is a daily carry backpack that thinks of everything. Its standout feature is the drop-down front panel, allowing you to pack it like a suitcase without fighting for space. The quick-access top pocket keeps your daily essentials organized, while a dedicated hidden AirTag pocket adds modern security. Though the $155 price tag is a premium, you're paying for Bellroy's signature thoughtfulness and build quality. It's a sleek, professional bag that transitions perfectly from a morning commute to a weekend trip, making it an investment in long-term carrying comfort. Number 16. Culoclean. This tiny device weighs only 12 grams and will completely change your life on the trail. The Culoclean is a portable bidet that fits onto almost any standard plastic bottle, from water to soda. Simply fill the bottle, attach the nozzle, and you have a functional hygiene solution anywhere on Earth. It's made from recycled materials, eco-friendly, and removes the need to carry bulky toilet paper on long camping trips. For just $10, it's an absolute no-brainer for hikers. It's a small addition to your kit that provides a massive upgrade in outdoor comfort. Number 15. Leatherman ARC. This multi-tool is arguably the best multi-tool ever made. It features a premium MagnaCut steel blade, which is the current holy grail of knife steels, extremely sharp, tough, and corrosion-resistant. Using free technology, every one of its 20 tools can be accessed smoothly with just one hand, eliminating the need for fingernail prying. From pliers and wire cutters to a versatile bit driver system, the ARC covers nearly every situation you'll face. While the $250 price is a significant investment, this is a top-tier heirloom piece designed for those who demand the absolute best from their gear. Number 14. Kangol Seamless Wool 5077. Famous for being Samuel L. Jackson's go-to, the Kangol Seamless Wool 507 is the coolest hat in any room. Its seamless construction means no pressure points, allowing you to wear it all day in total comfort. This isn't just a trend. Kangol has been producing these iconic caps since the 1930s, offering a piece of British heritage that pairs well with both casual and formal outfits. Just be sure to check the sizing chart, as a perfect fit is key to pulling off the look. For $68, it's a timeless, stylish upgrade to any wardrobe. Number 13. Hoto Precision Screwdriver. Featuring 24 bits for just $14. The Hoto Precision Screwdriver is the best budget tool you'll ever find. All 12 double-ended S2 steel bits are stored magnetically inside the handle, so you'll never lose a component. The machined aluminum body feels incredibly premium, featuring a noiseless bearing in the cap for smooth, controlled turning. It's the perfect tool for repairing phones, glasses, or watches without stripping tiny screws. While the slim handle might feel small for those with larger hands, the sheer value and design quality at this price point make it an essential purchase. Number 12. Bellroy Venture Sling is the bag that will make you rethink carrying a backpack. Its unique clamshell design features a zipper that opens from both ends, giving you unobstructed access to all your gear. The expandable gusset is a stroke of genius, self-compressing when empty and expanding as you pack more in. With quick-release buckles and a dedicated AirTag pocket, it's as functional as it is stylish. While it won't fit a large laptop, it is the perfect size for a camera, tablet, and daily essentials, all wrapped in Bellroy's premium durable materials. Number 11. Lautie Choc Slider is a marvel of engineering with a patented zero-screw design. The entire unit is held together solely by magnets and its mechanical structure, ensuring nothing ever loosens over time. It provides unique tactile feedback through an internal spring bead that clicks against a track, creating a satisfying sensation that's hard to put down. While fidget sliders are a niche hobby, this model represents the absolute peak of the craft. If you already love EDC fidgets, the $66 price tag is a fair entry for a piece of machined art that feels truly indestructible. Number 10. RAB Ascender Soft Shell Pants. These are climbing pants that don't look like climbing pants, allowing you to wear them anywhere. The RAB Ascender Soft Shell Pants use a matrix fabric that stretches in every direction, providing incredible mobility without the crinkly feel of traditional waterproof trousers. They feature reinforced kicker patches at the ankles to handle boot contact and crampon wear, proving their alpine pedigree. The slim, articulated fit keeps the look clean and professional while remaining highly functional for a hike. For $170, you get a durable, water-repellent pair of trousers that bridge the gap between technical performance and everyday style. Number 9. Pocket Tripod Prove 12 Calm Mildew Torch. Imagine a high-quality tripod that lives in your wallet. The Pocket Tripod Pro EV2 is a credit card-sized stand that props your phone at any angle on any surface. Despite weighing only 11 grams, your phone glides on circular rails and locks firmly into place without wobbling. It even includes a standard 1/4-inch thread for mounting on professional photography rigs. While you should check your case thickness first, its ability to provide stable shots in portrait or landscape mode while taking up zero pocket space is revolutionary. It is the ultimate tool for content creators and mobile photographers alike. Number 8. Nano Bag Daypack. This bag is a 16-liter backpack that literally fits in your pocket. Weighing just 33 grams, less than an energy bar wrapper, this bag is made from diamond ripstop nylon that can hold up to 30 kilograms of weight. There is no complex folding required. You simply stuff it back into its tiny pouch when finished. While it lacks the padding of a traditional hiking bag, it's the perfect just-in-case carry for groceries or travel extras. For $26, it offers incredible utility and strength in a package so small you'll forget you're even carrying it. Number 7. Soundcore Select 4 Go. For just $25, the Soundcore Select 4 Go offers features usually reserved for premium speakers. This IP67 rated Bluetooth device is waterproof and actually floats, making it perfect for pool days or camping trips. You get 20 hours of playback on a single charge and the ability to pair 2 units together for true wireless stereo sound. While the 5-watt output is designed for personal listening rather than large parties, the audio quality far exceeds its price point. It's an indestructible, budget-friendly speaker that provides a massive amount of value for anyone who loves taking music outdoors. Number 6. Alpaka Flight Pouch. This pouch is a slim organizer designed to streamline your travel experience. It features 2 main compartments with a central divider that holds up to 8 cards, keeping your passport and boarding pass accessible during security checks. The YKK AquaGuard zippers are fully waterproof, ensuring your important documents stay dry regardless of the weather. With magnetic maglock straps that attach and detach instantly, it functions as both a pouch and a minimal day bag. At $32, it's a durable, well-thought-out accessory that makes navigating airports or city streets significantly easier and much more organized. Number 5. The Nitecore EDC37. It delivers a staggering 8,000 lumens from a body that fits comfortably in your hand. This isn't just a light, it's a tactical search tool with a beam that reaches 420 meters. It features a built-in 8,000 mAh battery that is USB-C rechargeable and can even power your other devices in an emergency. With a 190-hour runtime on its lowest setting, it remains practical for everyday use. While it gets warm quickly on max power due to physics, the sheer performance packed into this $140 flashlight makes it a top choice for serious gear enthusiasts. Number 4. Key Smart Nano Clip. For only $6, the Key Smart Nano Clip might be the most useful item on this list. This simple stainless steel clip hooks your keys to the top of your pocket, ensuring they stay exactly where you can find them. No more digging through the bottom of your bag or pocket. Your keys are always a quick grab away. It is industrial grade and can hold up to 5 pounds, working perfectly with loose keys or compact holders. It's a low-cost solution to a universal problem, making it an essential addition to any daily carry setup for instant organization. Number 3. Evergreen Mag 5000. At just 8.6 millimeters thin, the Vonmahlen Evergreen Mag 5000 is thinner than many smartphones. This QI2 certified power bank snaps magnetically onto the back of your iPhone, providing 15 watts of fast wireless charging without the need for cables. It's crafted from recycled cobalt and aluminum, making it a sustainable choice for environmentally conscious tech users. While 5,000 mAh typically provides one full charge, its ultra-slim profile adds almost no bulk to your pocket. For £60, you get a premium, beautifully designed power solution that feels like a natural extension of your phone rather than a bulky external accessory. Number 2. Matador Nano Dry. This is a full-sized beach towel that packs down to the size of a small fist. Made from technical nanofiber, it absorbs twice its weight in water and dries almost instantly, ensuring you never have to pack a wet, smelly towel again. It features a built-in stuff pocket and a hidden zippered compartment for stashing keys or a phone while you swim. While it lacks the fluffiness of cotton, its performance and portability are unmatched for travelers and hikers. It's a buy-at-once item that solves the problem of bulky travel towels forever. Number 1. The Metmo Pocket Driver is a machined masterpiece that reimagines an 1800s brace driver for the modern pocket. Its rotating handle allows you to apply immense torque with minimal effort, making it useful for everything from furniture assembly to mechanical repairs. It works with all standard hex and micro bits, yet its mesmerizing motion makes it the ultimate fidget toy for your desk. While a $119 is a premium price for a screwdriver, its historical charm and indestructible build quality make it a tool you will keep for life. It is our top pick for being truly unique and incredibly functional. That's all 23. Now I want to know, which one are you buying first? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one. If you're still here, you're a legend. So hit that subscribe button for more gear lists. Thumbs up if this helped, and I'll see you next time.